Hey everybody, thank you for joining me on my channel. Today I'm going to tackle this disgusting mailbox at the flip house. It is growing mold or some kind of a fungus. I don't know what. I guess it's like, I don't know, is it called lichen? That's like grows on trees, barnacles. Anyways, that's what it looks like. It's faded and ugly, and even the little red flag is faded. And I thought maybe we should get a new mailbox, but also maybe let's just spray paint it. So first of all, I cleaned it off with Ellie's Totally Awesome Cleaner. It is also my favorite cleaner ever. It does burn the lungs, though, if you spray too much and inhale it while you're spraying it. I sprayed it and I had a wet microfiber cloth. I've been loving these. I usually hate microfiber cloths, but I got some. I think I DoorDashed these from Lowe's and I really like them. They don't, what bothers me about them, microfiber cloths is when it sticks on my fingers, and these don't do that. Anyways, cleaned the whole mailbox off and it already was looking better. I was pretty impressed by how clean it came. You can see by this cloth how disgusting this mailbox was. Ugh. That's literally some kind of a fungus growing on it. Okay, and then I just got to work. I sprayed it down with some high gloss black spray paint, and it looked better immediately. I love spray paint for this very reason. It is like, I don't know, $7 a can, and it makes things look brand new, especially black spray paint. Really makes whatever is black look so much better. I was telling my husband I was doing this project, and he was like, what can you do about the newspaper holder? Nothing. That thing needs to be yanked out of the ground. I don't know what happened to that thing. But once the black dried, I propped up this old piece of siding and shook up my red spray paint and gave it a little spray. This was a weird new spray paint, and it had like these little, you didn't take the top off, you like turned it to get whatever flow you wanted out. So it took me a second to figure out what I was doing. And this was a little bit tricky because it was a small area and I didn't want it to drip onto the black, which it did. I didn't go all the way down. So I had to get kind of creative and use my finger to dab the red paint down. But you can't tell, and I didn't want to like mix the paints. After this dried, I thought, this thing looks like it's leaning down towards the ground. So I tried to bend it. No dice. So this is how it looks. It's leaning down a little bit, and that's okay. But it looks so good, right? It looks brand new. So I had these mailbox stickers from another house we flipped, and I thought, I'll just use these. Well, apparently I didn't really know how to use them because you got to pull the back part off first and use it. I don't know if you've ever used like a Cricut vinyl transfer. That's kind of what these were, but they were individually like separated already. So once I figured it out, it was very easy and very pretty and very, a very kind of updated look. The mailbox had numbers on the front of the mailbox before that I just spray painted over, and I had enough numbers left over that I put the numbers on the front of the mailbox also. This was all fine and good, but then I looked at the neighbor's mailbox and it had the numbers down on the bottom right there. So I needed to do that too. See back behind? I thought that looked better and cuter. I gently removed the numbers and I just smudged the black paint a little bit, and so I just touched it up before I put the numbers back on. But it didn't I really was afraid it was going to pull the paint off. I did know that I could fix it if that happened, and I also knew I had about probably 3 more sets of these numbers. So I really kind of wanted to do it how I thought it would look the best. And once I got the numbers in the position that I wanted, I was happy with it. And I hope you guys like it. Very easy, very simple, very cheap. So if you need a new mailbox, try to spray paint it first and see if you like it. And that's it for this little makeover. Thank you guys for joining me. Like and subscribe. I've got tons more projects. Tons.